How to sending screenshots via txt.me Omnichannel live chat. One of the advantages a live chat customer support system has over phone contact is the ease with which files of any kind can be sent to the agent to clarify the problem or query at hand. Customers often find it useful to send a screenshot of a website page to customer support. With txt.me Omnichannel live chat, it takes only a few seconds to add a screenshot to a message. When you install txt.me on your site, you can choose whether your chat app can include screenshots. It's free either way. You do this by ticking the screenshots box on the first widget page of your txt.me account before you do the installation. Taking a screenshot of the entire screen. Step 1. Fill out name and address in chat window. Once you've started a conversation in the chat window by filling out your name and email address, an attachment icon, with a camera and paperclip image, appears on the bottom left-hand corner of the window. Step 2. Click on attachment icon. When you click on this, you'll see two options appear: select screenshot and select files. Step 3. Click on send screenshot. Clicking on select screenshot will automatically take a screenshot of the page you're on and attach it to their next message. It may take a few seconds for this to happen. Taking a partial screenshot. For various reasons, you may not wish to send a screenshot of the entire page, e.g., it may be a bank page containing sensitive private information. Step 1. Press Windows plus Shift plus S. In that case, you can take a partial screenshot on Windows by pressing Windows, the key on the bottom left part of the keyboard with the Windows icon, plus Shift plus S. Step 2. Use cursor to select part of screen. Then you move the cursor around the area you want captured in the screenshot. This is automatically saved to your hard drive. Step 3. Click on Select Files. Next, you click on Select Files in the chat window. When you do this, your File Explorer comes up. Step 4. Select Screenshot from Screenshots file in File Explorer. You can select any file from here to attach in a message. Your screenshot will be saved to the Screenshots file on your computer. Step 5. Click on Screenshot File and then Open. By clicking on it and then clicking Open at the bottom of the File Explorer window, you attach the screenshot to your message in the chat window. You can also just drag and drop any file from your hard drive to the chat window. That's all it takes to include any screenshot or file in a txt.me Omnichannel live chat message.